What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Day number 5 in this series, how to make 6 figures in 90 days, guys. Usually what I do, guys, is I give out my bonuses at the end of the video, but today, for you guys, I'm going to go ahead and give my bonuses at the beginning of this video. So sit tight, and I'm going to show you exactly what these bonuses are. In this video, we're going to be talking about multiple income funnel. Obviously, you guys have seen that. And if you haven't seen it, the link is in the description down below. All right. And one of those income streams in the multiple income funnel is this one right here, E1U Life. And if you join me in E1U Life at the Vertex Live level, it has to be at the Vertex Live level. There are other levels here, but in order to qualify for my bonus, you have to join me at the Vertex Live level. What you're going to be getting, guys, is a huge value. You're going to get traffic from Traffic Authority, which is a high converting traffic, okay? You're going to be getting a silver package. I'm going to be hooking you up with a silver package, which is 510 to 570 eyeballs to your opportunity, which is as you can see here, guys, which is a $660 value. All right. So what you're going to do is when you join me here, you're going to send me the link. I'm going to take that link. I'm going to go right here and paste the link, your link right here, and I'm going to place the order for 510 to 570 eyeballs to your affiliate link, and then you'll be getting traffic within 24 to 48 hours, guys. So make sure you go ahead and do that. Also, if you haven't already done so, make sure you join my private Facebook group here, Team Level Up, where I'll be discussing marketing strategies that I don't discuss on this video channel here, guys. So we're going to get into today's video, and today's video we're going to be show you how to just map out things with the multiple income funnel. All right, so stay tuned, and I'll see you at the end of this video.
So get this, you guys. I woke up at roughly 5:30 a.m. just to check my phone, had a $2,000 sale come through, $2,500 to be exact. $2,000 of that is actually pure profit for me, sent straight to my bank account, using and leveraging the affiliate marketing business model, promoting other people's products. And in this video, I want to show you exactly how I accomplish this. A lot of you guys might think people don't pay over $2,000 for a product automatically while I'm sleeping and earn nearly 100% commissions. Again, we're talking a $2,500 sale. I earn $2,000 in commissions. So today we're going to show you exactly how I did that step by step, click by click. And you need some context up to this point to make sure that you complete the tasks within this video properly. So this is a case study series where I'm taking you from zero to earning 6 figures in 90 days or less. I'm giving you guys the complete blueprint on what I'm doing to accomplish just that. So you need to make sure as step 1, you start with the playlist below and complete video by video until you get to this video here. Now, it's best that you complete 1 video per day. But nonetheless, I'm going to walk you through exactly how I accomplish this in great detail. So it's very simple, guys. In an affiliate marketing business, the number one thing that you need to learn, the skill set that you need to learn, it's basic and simple, and people overcomplicate this. A lot of gurus will overcomplicate this so they drive more views to their videos, so they build their brand more, and they make more sales. I'm going to give this to you cut and dry. You need to use social media and email marketing and get as many people to an affiliate link that's a custom link coded to you that when people click on it and they buy something, you make a sale. So the goal simply is to get as many people to an affiliate link as possible. When you do that, you make money. Very, very simple. So the question is, Josh, in this case study series, what is it that we're promoting and selling? Well, great question. MIF is the system with a suite of products in the digital marketing education space that we're going ahead and we're promoting. So not only are we earning from MIF, the system itself, but we actually earn from many different income streams. Here's one income stream. Just in the past week, nearly $2,000. This year in this income stream, $9,394. In this income stream, if we go over to affiliates and commissions, we've got $3,946 in this income stream, $29,033 in this income stream, and MIF, which is what we're talking about in this video. This income stream, we go over to my business, we go to commissions and payments, and $29,250 paid out here. And last but not least, $38,075 here. And if we go to the leaderboard right here, you guys can see I'm number one on the leaderboards for each of these programs. I'm number one on the leaderboard for this program too as well. And this is just the first part of the week. Guys, I'm absolutely crushing it. It's not to brag. I want to prove to you guys that undoubtedly my process works and it can work for you. So all we're doing is we're taking people from YouTube videos to MIF and from an email service to MIF as well. So we're going to start from the end and work our way backwards. What is MIF? Once again, I explain that, but I want to show you exactly how it works. So what happens is people join this system known as the multiple income funnel. What they've done here is they've done all the coding, they've done all the sales material for you that's automated, that sells people for you while you're sleeping, on vacation, and you pay a small monthly fee to access this system that does all the selling and telling for you. So once you get access, that's going to be step 2 below, is to get access to the MIF system. Once you get access to it, you're going to go ahead and you're going to join the Facebook group, okay? You're going to follow these on-screen instructions. Step 1, join the Facebook group. Step 2, you're going to go ahead and you're going to set up your income streams. Guys, you may have seen this content before, but I want to drive home how well this system works if you just simply implement what I'm showing you in this video. So step 1 is to go ahead and plug in your MIF affiliate link, which this video is going to show you how to do just that. So what step 2 does is it will set you up with these different income streams, including MIF. The system itself is an income stream that you can earn monthly residual commissions off of. But once you complete each of these steps and set up your different income streams, you plug in your affiliate link. So when someone else joins MIF and they go through this same process, when they purchase these products at these different levels, you get a commission. You might be complaining, well, it seems like you're joining a thing to promote a thing, to join a thing to promote a thing. Well, I showed you guys the results. People are buying this. People like this. And you're not just buying a thing to promote a thing, because you're buying actual real education. It's like going to a university for digital marketing. If you want to learn how to build a brand, you want to become an influencer, you want to get more traffic, lead sales to your small business, each of these income streams are going to show you how to do just that. So let's get to the point where I earned $2,000 while I was pretty much sleeping. Okay, somebody came through multiple income funnel. They went through step 1, and then on step 2, they started plugging in their different income streams. When they purchased each of these income streams, I earned a commission. So step 2, what happened is somebody watched this video here and they paid $2,500, in which I earned $2,000 of that. So what does that tell you guys? If you simply send people through this process, most of them will upgrade to the very highest level, which means in income stream number 2, it's designed in a way where there's different levels that you can join in E1U Live. If you join a level below the $2,000 level, yes, you will be qualified to earn commissions on that level. For example, below the $2,000 level. There's a $1,000 level, $500 level, $250, $100, and $25. If you get at the $1,000 level and somebody upgrades to the $2,000 level, you will not earn the commission off of that. And I will get the commission. That's how this process works. But it's designed to get people to upgrade to the highest level. So if you want to earn high ticket commissions, you got to put some skin in the game. You got to invest into yourself and into your business. And if you simply trust the process and follow what's laid out in this video, and you upgrade to the highest level and you start bringing people in, I can promise you that if you take action consistently, you too will start earning consistent $2,000 commissions. Now, due to following this process on a daily basis, guys, just this month, $34,126 that I brought in, and this month is not even over. So people watch income stream number 2 right here. They purchase, I get paid $2,000. They plug in income stream number 3, I get paid what you're seeing right here. I've gotten paid $9,394, right? Because I'm simply letting a system do all the heavy lifting. So instead of promoting one product with one affiliate link and one traffic source and earning one commission, with MIF, I can promote a whole system with one affiliate link, with many different income streams, and I get paid on these multiple streams of income. The average millionaire, you guys, has about 7 different streams of income. You can do less work, make more money with multiple income funnel than just jumping on ClickBank and promoting one product and just earning one commission. But the problem is to get traffic to that affiliate link is the same amount of work as getting traffic to the MIF affiliate link and earning 10 times more. Which would you rather do? And guys, this isn't just to sell and tell you, but show you that this system is the best system out there. So what you want to do is you want to plug in all your different affiliate links. Watch this video, complete the step. Watch this video, complete the step. Watch this video, income stream number 3, complete the step. Same thing with step 4. Okay, watch the video, plug in your affiliate link. Then you're going to go complete your e-wallet setup so you can get paid from MIF. And then you're going to complete your back office tour. Now that we've done that, we can again continue to work our way back. This is where we start marketing our affiliate link in MIF. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to links right here. We're going to grab this Facebook lead capture page 1 link, and we're going to use a service that we can also make money off of called MLGS, My Lead Gen Secret, okay? The reason why we're using this service is so we can get traffic fast. There's fast traffic and there's slow traffic. Fast traffic is email traffic. Slower traffic is going to be YouTube traffic, which we're going to talk about in just a second. Now, as we move along here, we will be plugging in more traffic streams to plug into and send people to our affiliate links. But we're going to keep things super simple right now. I'm just using these two to make up to $2,000 a day and over $30,000 this month already. So I'm making over $1,000 per day. Okay. And I'm showing you guys exactly what I'm doing. So what you want to do is you want to get this service known as My Lead Gen Secret. Okay. There's going to be a link for it in the description below. This will give you 100 leads per day that you can go ahead and email offers to. So you're going to get access to this. Once you get on the inside, it's going to look something like this. You're going to click on create a message. Once you click on create a message, you're going to go ahead and select all your leads right here. Now we need to go ahead and we need to write an email. The cool thing that we can do is we can use these Google Docs here. Okay, I got a list of a bunch of emails in these Google Docs, and you can copy any of these emails, paste them into MLGS with your affiliate link and start making money. So we're going to do email 4 right here. Got your message. We're going to copy this over. We're going to paste it right here. Okay. Then we're going to once again jump back over here, and you can copy email 1. You can choose whatever email you want to go ahead and copy. Just make sure it's relevant, because some of these emails are more general for multiple offers, while others are specific to like one offer. Like for example, email too, right? And we'll be talking about that more later on. Nonetheless, find a email that's very general. It's just generally about making money online and not any specific topic. So we're going to copy this one over and we're going to go ahead and we're going to paste it. Then we want to go ahead and we want to remove the bolding. Then we're going to space this up a bit, okay? So it looks good. And then we need to enter our affiliate link, right? So what we're going to do, put our name at the bottom. We're going to jump back over to good old MIF. We're going to copy this affiliate link right here, okay? You can go ahead and view the page if you wish. Let's go ahead and copy this. And then let's jump back over and let's delete this link part here. And then let's highlight this whole thing. Click the link button, the anchor text link button at the top there, and make sure that we delete the HTTPS because that's going to be right here already. And then click OK. And then we're going to do the same thing right here. Delete this part. And then paste and delete this. HTTPS. Click OK. And enter our name right here. And there we go. We're going to click on perfect timing and then click on send email. Okay. It's literally that simple. You get your income stream set up. You share your affiliate link in MLGS right here, and you start getting traffic, leads, and potential sales into the MIF system and the different multiple income streams, of course, that you saw in step 2, right? So after we do that, we need to then do our YouTube video marketing. Now, I released a couple videos the past couple days that outline exactly how to model my videos to start producing your own videos, and also how you can copy my promotional videos and upload them to a brand new YouTube channel so you can leverage my success to start building your MIF affiliate marketing business. How cool is that? So the links to that will be in the description below. All you got to do is follow the steps, step by step below. And also for the next video in this series, taking you from 0 to 6 figures in 90 days or less, you need to go ahead and subscribe to the channel and tick that bell icon. And by the way, guys, my results are not typical. It's not guaranteed that you're going to produce the same results. Just as a disclaimer, this does take consistent work over a long period of time. And that's the YouTube strategy. Once you get free traffic in place, you put in the initial work, and 90 to 120 days from now, you start to reap the rewards. So delayed gratification is really big when it comes to free advertising like YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, okay?
All right, guys, so I know you got some value out of that video. Make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit that bell notification so you know when I'm dropping another video on YouTube or even going live on YouTube, guys. So listen, take advantages of the bonuses that I've given to you, as well as subscribing to the channel. Make sure you sign up to the private Facebook group. I'll send you an invitation. Shoot me an email, guys. We're rolling right along. Day number 6 coming up tomorrow. I'll see you then. Bye for now.